Alright, so what we have here is going to be a very short tutorial on how to manually fly a drone using QGroundControl. And since the only thing that we're going to be using now is QGroundControl, so QGroundControl now is connected to one of the UAVs in the experiment. And let's say that in the development mode, all you wish for is to move a portable node that's under the drone here. Let's say you want to move it over here somewhere to see if it's going to interrupt, if it's going to hand over, right? It's going to interrupt the current link or hand over or something like that, right? So this is something that will never be deployed in the real testbed with the real drones. So only use this as a means of debugging your code. So to do that, make the drone take over. So by default it takes over at 10 meters, but you can make it take over at whatever altitude you want, including 3 meters for example, because once again this is never on the testbed, so nobody cares how high or low you're flying. So then you see the drone is in stabilized mode. Confirm that you want to take off. It's going to enter guided. It's armed. It's ignore the warning, and it's gonna go to 10 meters. And then you can left mouse click anywhere you want and say go to location, and then you slide this again, and the drone is gonna start moving towards that destination at the altitude it is currently, and it's gonna make it there at the default speed, which for airpo is 5 meters per second, so it's approximately gonna go at 5 meters per second. If at any time you change your mind and you say no, I wish actually to go here, you can make it go there, right? So it's gonna change trajectory and go to the next position. Right, you see the drone is leaning forward quite a bit to get there. And again, if at any point you decide yeah, I like this position, you can just tell it to land, and it's gonna land on the spot. It's gonna start decreasing the altitude to 7 meters, 5 meters, and then it's gonna stay put until you decide to take off again. And you can it's flying, it's armed, it's landing. Okay, it's landed. And okay, all the way landed, armed, disarmed. Now it's disarmed, and you can take off again, right? It enters guided, it's arming, it's once again complaining that doesn't have enough power. It has enough power. Goes to 10 meters, and you can place it wherever you want, right? You can make it go wherever you want. You can also change the altitude right from 10 meters to however meters you want by going action and change altitude, and then you can change the altitude from here to whatever new altitude you want, and you confirm it, and the drone is going to start gaining altitude until it gets to the new location, and then you can give it another go-to command to say I want to go, I don't know, here on the road, for example. Right? You're going to 49 meters, slide to confirm, and it's going to move towards the new location. Okay. The last relevant instruction is a return to launch, which returns the drone to the last arm position, which in this case is here, right? That's where it took off from. So it's gonna come here, it's gonna enter land mode, and it's gonna land and disarm at the location by default. Once again, I want to emphasize this is something that is not reproducible, is not part of a canonical experiment, will never be done again in testbed mode, in the real testbed, but I hope you'll find this as a useful debugging facility in development mode. And so it went to that location, and now is descending at 1.5 meters per second for the first however many meters, and the last 10 meters it should slow down at 0.5 meters per second. It's going to land and disarm. I'm going to stop it here.